Say hey.
Hi.
Hey everybody. I'm right here with my son Cash. Say hi.
Hi.
Say happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
We just were finishing up some schoolwork and I just wanted to pop on today and just do like a really quick 5-minute hack for you guys. I've already applied my eye makeup, so I just wanted to apply my face super fast and easy and show you guys just how quick I could do this. I'm trying to fix my screen a little bit. Okay. So I've been up since 3 o'clock in the morning. It was one of those nights where I woke up and could not go back to sleep. And I had a 6 o'clock client this morning for personal training. So I have like the darkest circles under my eyes right now. They're like crazy dark. So what I'm gonna do real quick is show you how fast and easy I'm gonna cover them. So I've got my compact right here. I'm gonna use my detail hack brush to start. And I'm gonna open this top half of my hack stack right here. And today I'm gonna start with my contour shade to chisel out my cheeks and show my features. So I'm gonna use the smaller end of my detail hack brush. Hi, Cash. Are you having a good day so far? Yeah? Okay, so I'm just gonna go under my cheekbones. Like so, okay? And then I'm gonna do the upper forehead. It's so quiet in here. It's crazy. It's like everybody that lives here, our whole entire family's here at home right now and it's super quiet. It's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna do my jawline. Okay, and when I do my contour, you kind of want to sometimes do like the side, like a 3. You like make the number 3 right here, okay? I don't know if my light's blinding it. Can you guys see that okay? Okay, so there we go. So I'm also gonna take this smaller end of my detail hack brush.
Find a way.
And go down the sides of my nose.
I've seen that fly.
You see a fly?
Yeah, over here.
Ew. Gross. I don't like flies. Okay, so when you contour the sides of your nose, it makes it appear smaller. Okay, like that. So now I'm taking my brush and I'm just gonna, like that, and just wipe off whatever I just used. And I'm gonna use the same end to apply my brightening shade. So now I'm just gonna do a quick brightening shade. The makeup is so easy and so fast that like literally you could just, like I said, you slap it on, different colors on different areas of your face and you just blend it together. That's why you could do it in 5 minutes, okay? So when I apply my brightening shade, I'm just gonna kind of dab it on. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that coverage. Oh, dark circles be gone. 3 o'clock eyes be gone. We know I'm gonna sleep well tonight. Oh, don't lock my light over. How's everybody's weekend? Did you guys have a good weekend? My poor kids, I was sure today was a holiday. And I thought it was a 3-day weekend, and I told them that it was. I felt so bad. Now they're stuck going to school today. Okay, so I'm doing my brightening shade. I'm doing like a triangular shape under my eyes, okay? Like so. And then I go in between my eyebrows, and I fan it up to my middle of my forehead, and then I just bring it down the center of my nose like so, okay? And like I said, I'm showing you guys how I can do this in 5 minutes. So I'm gonna make it really short and sweet today. Voila, okay? Brightening shade on, contour on, using the same brush. So far, one brush, double-ended, guys. I'm going to go to my main highlight right here. This one called Amber. All of my colors are here and magnetic into my compact. And I'm just going to fill in the blanks that I have not yet applied anything on. So I just swoop it on. This makeup is so clean, really good ingredients. There's no, I like to say the word caca. It's true though, there's no junk in it. It's such good quality makeup. It doesn't do anything weird to your skin. It's great for sensitive skin. It's just overall such a great makeup. And it's so easy that you just slap it on and blend it together. How easy is that? Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is just do a little bit on my nose. But I don't wanna mess up my contour, okay? So I filled in the blanks. Now I'm gonna take my Perfector sponge right here. I love our Perfector sponge. It's just so soft and fluffy. If you have the Perfector sponge, the tip is you get it wet before you use it, and then you wring it out. So it makes it really fluffy and cool to touch. So now I'm just gonna, I like to use this when I blend underneath my eyes and the sides of my nose like that. So I'm not really wiping anything off, I'm just dabbing it, okay? Like so. Look at that. Dark circles be gone. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my blush and bronzer brush right here. So soft and fluffy. I love this brush. And I'm gonna finish blending. Starting with the lighter colors. You always wanna blend up and out. So I'm gonna blend my lighter colors. How's that, you guys? Oh my gosh, so easy, right? It looks like I've slept. I maybe got 4 hours max. I don't know. We were up watching Schitt's Creek last night. Do you guys watch that show? It's so funny. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm going over to my blushes. Today I'm gonna wear Sandstone. And I'm using my blush and bronzer brush. Same brush, so I've only used 2 brushes so far. I'm gonna use this same brush that I just used this larger end to blend. So I'm gonna use the smaller end to just dab on some color on my cheeks. Like that, okay?
Mommy,
How easy is that?
Mommy,
Yes, Cash?
what's the birthday card?
I don't know, honey,
I
but
wanted to play with it yesterday.
oh.
I
Okay.
remember my science experiment.
You wanna do a science experiment?
Yeah, you remember?
Yeah, we'll do that,
What
okay?
was it?
I don't know, bud. I think it's in that room right there, by the Legos.
Oh, it is.
Okay, there we go. Blush is on. Now I'm gonna flip back over to my bronzer. And I always use Bella right here, this dark color. Don't be afraid of the darkness. I'm wiping my brush off on my paper towel.
Mommy, I'm taking this.
Okay, just a second, and I'll have to help you with that, okay? And I'm just gonna dab it on. Above where I apply my blush, or you can mix it. So you're gonna kind of put it on where the sun kisses your face. Like if I was in the sun, where would I have color? And that's where your bronzer is gonna go, okay? And now I'm gonna flip my brush over and I'm gonna make sure it's blended really well. And you can have a lot of fun with bronzer. You could just, before you, in the summertime, when you start getting tan or darker, or if you wanna appear a little bit darker, you can use your bronzing shade to just up your shade one more color before buying that darker shade. Yes, Cash. Mommy.
I got the bowl for the water.
Okay, baby, good job. Okay, last step, guys. I'm gonna do my illuminator, and today I'm gonna be wearing Dulce. It's this pretty cream, shimmery, kind of gold illuminator. So pretty. Same brush, and I'm just going to give myself a little glow. How's that? What do you think? If you're watching, tell me what you think. Look at that. Ooh, so pretty. Okay. And the other side. And you can take your illuminator and you can apply it above your eyebrow, I mean below your eyebrows. There's so many different places you could put illuminator. So last step I'm gonna do is take my multitasker brush. Thank you, Serena. Oh, you're so sweet. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and I'm going to dab it in Desert Sunset. It's a glossy lip and cheek color right here. All of our lip and cheek shades are made to go on both your lips and your cheeks. Hint the name lip and cheek. Brilliant. Add a little color right here. Are you still trying to get that fly? Voila. What do you guys think? Does it look like I've been up since 3 o'clock in the morning? How amazing is this coverage? Ah! And it's all right here in the same compact. I promised you I would do that in 5 minutes. How long has it been? Oh, I don't have a timer. Anyways, that's it. And I hope you guys have a great Monday. As always, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to message me. And I will get you all set up with your personal compacts and your custom shades. Have a great Monday, guys.